Xin Tian Jian Precision Manufacturing Limited is ISO-certified manufacturer that specializes in high-precision machining and rapid prototyping. With 17 years of continually growing, our engineer has grown deep and rich experience from the previous projects. We are capable of manufacturing any complex parts that from any industry. At Xin Tian Jian, we possess more than 120 sets of 3 to 5 axis machines, including 5-axis high-speed gantry machine center that is capable of traveling 4,000 mm by 2,500 mm by 1,000 mm, and 24,000 revolutions per minute. GA 555-axis universal high-precision machine from Grob, Germany. With all these abundances of state-of-the-art of imported machines from Switzerland, Germany, and Japan, we can guarantee our part to meet your tolerance and lead time.